Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss another method for Python, which is index. So index method is mainly used for fetching the index of a particular element that we are passing as an argument for this method. So it will check for that method inside a list or whatever the thing you are using with, and then it will return the index of it. Okay. So there are multiple scenarios for which we are using this index method. So we will discuss one by one. So for first scenario, you can see that we are using list. If you are not aware of list, then we will discuss in detail in upcoming sessions what is list and all. But for now, we are just storing the data in list. So you can see this is how we store the data. Data is like 20, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then on line number 9, we are using index method to locate the 20 in this list. So how it will return the value or index? So it will start the indexing from 0 because Python always start the indexing from 0. So it will be considered as 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. So as per the argument, it will return 1 because 20 is at the first index. This is the 0 index and this is the first index. So it will return 1. Then we are just printing that index value. So to verify the output, I will press Ctrl Shift and Tilde from my keyboard and it will open the terminal, and then we will run this program using Python and program name .py. So I will write Python space session 26.py, and if I hit enter, so it will return multiple output because we have printed for all scenarios. So we will discuss one by one. So you can see the first output is 1. Why? Because it is returning the index of 20, which is at first index. Okay, this is the 0 and this is the 1. Fine. Now we will discuss the second scenario. Here you can see that we are looking for small o inside a string. So you can see in this string there are two O. One is here, one is here. So what it will do? It will return the first occurrence of letter small o. So it will return this index. Okay, not this one. So there could be one question like how we can return the position of this. So there is a separate way that we will discuss in the upcoming scenario. But for now we are looking for the first occurrence of small o in a string. So what it will do? It will return the position from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will return 4. You can see output is coming like 4. Okay, because small o is present at fourth index, and index is started from 0. Now we have third scenario. In this third scenario, we are using the same string hello world, but this time we are, instead of character, we are passing the entire word. So you can see we are looking for world in this string. So it will fetch the position from where it is started. So if you check from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is also started from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you can see it is returning 7th position because from 7th position it is started world. Now for the fourth scenario, you can see that we are using list again, but this time in list we are providing the range also. So let's say the thing that we just discussed, that how we can find the index or position of the second occurrence of the character. So here we can cover this thing. So you can see there are 2 times 40 in a list, 40 and 40. So we would like to fetch the index of this. So how we can do this? So for that you can use 40 and just pass the indexing from third positions to fifth position. So what it will do, it will start the search from third position, and then whatever the first occurrence of 40 comes, it will return that index position. So you can see from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it will start it from 3 to 5. So it will only consider this part. So from here you can see 40 is present at the 0 at the third position itself. So you can see output is 3. Okay, because this is the third index 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now for the fifth scenario, we are using tuple. So same scenario here also. We are just using tuple here. So what it will do, it will look for that 30 and it will return the value. So you can see 0, 1, 2. So 30 is present at 2. So we can use index method with tuple also. Now we have sixth scenario. Since sixth scenario, what we are doing, we are looking for 30 inside a list. So it will search it from 0, 1, 2. So the output would be 2. Okay, so 2 output is for 30 index, so 30 is stored at index 2, so that's why it is printing 2. Now for the 7th scenario, you can see if I do, so here you can see the for tuple we are printing. Now we have another option which is 7th. So in 7th scenario we are getting the error. Why? We are getting the output as element not found in the list. So if you check here, I'm looking for the 60 index, 60 element, but 60 element is not present in the list. So what it will do, it will give the error that this index is not there. So to handle that error, we are using this try and except. So by using this, we can handle the thing. If it is present, then we will print the value. Otherwise, we will print the message that element not found in the list. Okay, so this thing we in deep we will discuss later, like how we can handle errors in Python, but for now we are just I'm just showing you that how we can handle the error if there is no index present for the given element. So in that case it will print the message error element not found in the list. So for this thing I can show you in the first example also. So if I make it as 200, which is not there in the list, and if I run the same program again, so it will give the error, and it is showing the error as 200 is not in the list because this element is not there. So that's why it is not printing any index value for it. Okay, so yeah, these are the some scenario which we can use with index method, and as per your requirement you can customize your scenarios, and you can use this index for finding the position or index of the particular element. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.